Hello, my name is Thomas Dixon. As you all noticed, I've already done my Andy Warhol project featuring my face. That's why I uploaded my original picture before I edited it. Me looking handsome. Just because I already did it doesn't mean I don't have to tell you how I did it. Sometimes it gets offline. It's gonna take a while. Oh, there it is. You have to make sure that your pictures have to be 10x10. You have to start with place embedded as usual. If it's not the correct size, use this, for example. Use this. It makes it the exact size as this. Then you use Object Selection Tool. Once you clicked it, you click on the Select Mask and clear the error. To delete the background, you have to click on the delete on the keyboard. Then you start a new layer and use the brightness and go to the circle and click on brightness. It changed the bright. If you want to connect it with other layers, you have to hold Alt, and once you see that, you click on the mouse. Well, I have nothing else to say, but here's my famous art inspired by Andy Warhol. I hope I get to see you soon. Sorry I didn't get much information to you, but I'll make sure I do that next time. Until then, this is Thomas Dickerson.